Introduction. Ankita, as we have already discussed earlier, animals are heterotrophic organisms. They cannot synthesize their own food, so they have to move in search of it. They also have to move in search of mate, shelter, and other vital activities of life. For the accurate performance of vital activities, there are various tissues for every activity. On the basis of their functions, animal tissues are of 4 types: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define animal tissue, identify types of animal tissues, find the character of epithelial tissues, understand types of epithelial tissues, understand functions of epithelial tissues, find the characters of connective tissues, understand types of connective tissues, understand functions of connective tissues, understand muscular tissues, identify types of muscular tissues, understand functions of muscular tissues, understand nervous tissues, identify types of nervous tissues, understand functions of nervous tissues. Epithelial tissues. Tissues which cover all the organs of body externally and also lines of hollow organs internally is known as epithelial tissue. Yes, Ankita, the cells of epithelial tissue are tightly packed and it forms a continuous sheet. There is no intercellular space and matrix between these cells. Epithelial cells are present in skin, lining of buccal cavity, alimentary canal, kidney tubules, lungs, glands. Types of epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are classified into 5 types on the basis of functions of the cells and shape of the cells. Squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, glandular epithelium, ciliated epithelium. Squamous epithelium is made up of thin, flat, irregular shaped cells which fit together like floor tiles to form a compact tissue. It is found in lining of cavities and blood vessels and covering of tongue and skin. It is also known as pavement epithelium. In cuboidal epithelium, cells are cube-like. They appear square in section but appear hexagonal in free surface. It is found in kidney tubules, thyroid vesicles, salivary, sweat, and exocrine glands. Columnar epithelium consists of cells which are pillar-like in appearance because they are taller than broader. Their nuclei are at the base. It is found in the lining of stomach, small intestine, colon, gallbladder, and oviducts forming mucous membrane. The columnar epithelium is sometimes modified to form glands which secrete certain chemicals and it is thus converted into glandular epithelium. It is found in the mucous membrane of stomach, sweat, and oil glands. Do you know that some cuboidal or columnar cells have a free border which bear thread-like cytoplasmic outgrowths known as cilia? These cells form the ciliated epithelium. It is found in sperm ducts, trachea, bronchi, kidney tubules, and oviducts. Function of epithelial tissues. Squamous epithelium protects the underlying parts of the body from mechanical injury, entry of germs, chemicals, and also from drying. Cuboidal epithelium helps in absorption, excretion, and secretion. It also gives mechanical support. Main function of columnar epithelium is absorption and secretion. Main function of glandular epithelium is secretion from these glands. The rhythmic, concentrated beating of cilia of ciliated epithelium moves solid particles in one direction through ducts. Connective tissues bind different organs and parts of various organs together. The cells of connective tissues are living, separated from each other, and very few in numbers. Gel-like intercellular substance called matrix forms the main bulk of the connective tissue. Matrix is fibrous in nature and binds other tissues. Types of connective tissues. Madhuri, do you know how many types of connective tissues are there? Yes, in animals, there are mainly 5 types of connective tissues. Areolar connective tissue, dense regular connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is a loose and cellular connective tissue. Matrix of areolar connective tissue contains white and yellow collagen.
ಮುಂದಿನ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸುಕೃತ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ